Hello, my name is Joshua Osoji, and this is video assignment 3 for Organic Chemistry 1 with Dr. Yumelina. To begin, I was given the reaction of this molecule right here with MCPBA, NaOH, and water, H2O. And so to begin, the MCPBA will basically go into this entire arrow pushing movement with the alkene to create an epoxide, where basically this oxygen is going to create an epoxide here. The bonds from this hydrogen will come down into this oxygen because they're being taken from this oxygen from the electrons in a nucleophilic attack, because these electrons went up and these electrons came off here to create a double bond here, blah, 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 blah. We end up with an epoxide with two bonds that are pointing outwards towards us, right? And then basically what's going to end up happening at this stage is that this epoxide is going to nucleophilically attack one of the one of the water molecules. It's going to take off an H from here, and then that will create an OH. Then now we're going to have a plus charge on this epoxide, right? Because it has this hydrogen now. And basically what's going to happen is, to resolve the charge on this plus charge on the oxygen, is one of these bonds that are pointed outwards towards the epoxide is basically going to come off, kind of like a leaving group. And at the same time, this alcohol group right here will nucleophilically attack this carbon from the opposite side. Since this bond is facing upward, the only route it can attack is from the opposite side. That's basically what's going to end up happening. And so a ring will be formed once this comes all the way over here. So this alcohol group now has its oxygen connected at 2 points, one being away from us because remember it had to attack from the bottom, and then one being in the plane of the page. It has a plus charge now. And then again, once this bond left here for this epoxide with the H, which is OH, it's still pointing outwards. So we have an OH group right here that's still pointing outwards towards us. Lastly, one of the OH molecules, which was either created from here, from when the water got deprotonated, or from the NaOH inside of the solution, will then do a nucleophilic attack on this hydrogen here to resolve the plus charge on this alcohol group, which initially attacks here. And so then in the end, we end up with a ring-like structure with one of the bonds on this oxygen right here being away, pointed away from us, and then an alcohol group being towards us. And yeah, that's it.